I'm going to load a couple of workflow templates just so you can see what they look like when they're completed. So I have a couple of things that run for me every day. Whenever you create a workflow or whenever you create an action, you can then go schedule that. So I can schedule this email task review and to-do generation. It goes and it looks at my calendar every morning, identify emails that contain tasks requiring my attention, get the full message details. And so it scans across that, and then it generates a to-do list, and then it sends it to me. And you can see here, it's grabbing my email out of the conversation. It will help you learn how to set those variables up so that the agent can go find them. What we do as part of the team is we build these workflow templates for the university, and then we expose them so that they can consume them. You don't have to enable the users to build workflows. You can, but we found that they still, that it was a little bit overwhelming. They didn't fully understand how to do it. There was a high failure rate, and so they just stopped using them. And so we just started building things and exposing them to people. And again, it's kind of like the prompt optimizer. You hope that they'll dive into it, they'll learn how to do it, and then they could maybe take one that I built and then adapt it for themselves. And then there's a few of these that, like this is an Office 365 scheduler that we have it set up. I can accept email within Amplify. And so it basically dumps into an S3 bucket as a straight text. It looks at the user that you send it to, and then it pulls it into my environment and it will act on that. So I can assign within the assistant workflow, I can assign an email address to an assistant. So the email comes in, we process that, and based on this email address, it goes through that entire workflow. And so I can go send an email to that email address and have it handle the scheduling of an event on my behalf. So you can really start to build some useful but complex workflows over time. Those are definitely more advanced things. You have your power users on campus that will learn how to do that kind of stuff. You hope that as you start to build a community of practice, they'll share that information with each other, and you can start to reap larger benefits across the institution as people kind of learn how to use it.